Hello everybody and welcome back to the Outdoor Channel. If you saw the title of today's video, you know that we have a giveaway today. This is the Arrow Hitch from WaySafe Hitches. This is an adjustable drop hitch, and if you're not familiar with WaySafe hitches, they are the ones with the built-in scale. We'll talk about all the specifications here in just a moment. All we're looking to do today is build my business, this channel being a big part of that. WaySafe's been a great partner. We're going to help them grow their business as well. We're going to keep this video pretty short, but do watch all the way to the end because we're going to have a couple of basic rules out there, and if you miss one of them, you'll miss out on a chance of being able to win. All that's coming up next. Stay tuned. All right, if you took the 20 seconds or so and actually watched the intro video, that's who we are, that's what we do. We're an outdoor channel. We like things with fishing and boating and camping and all that other great stuff. We also do a lot of work on the truck. This is a pretty heavily modified Silverado Trail Boss. It's both been our project truck and our tow vehicle. And if you do like that type of content, we hope you decide to stick around long after the contest comes and goes. All right, so moving on to the hitch itself. Well, like I said, this is from WaySafe. This is their Arrow Hitch. A little bit of their economy style hitch. They have a few different versions of this. It is basically new, or we'll just call this like new in the box. As you can see, it comes with everything here. Now this is an adjustable drop hitch. They make this in a 4, 6, 8, and this is the full 10-inch drop. So please consider what type of vehicle you're towing this with, because this comes down a little bit. This is kind of nice because in my case, again, I have a modified Silverado Trail Boss. It's lifted, so depending on what I'm towing, if I am towing my camper, I'm usually in the 3rd position. If I'm towing my boat, I'm either in the 5th or 6th position, depending on how heavy I have it weighed down. And if I have that pop-up camper, I am all the way down here at the bottom. So this works out really, really well for me. Nice heavy steel, very well made. Here is the ball mount itself. This is the built-in scale. We'll talk a little bit more about this in a moment, but this measures your tongue weight, keeps you safe down the road, and of course this attaches through right here. Comes with some assorted hardware, and one of the things I like, a set of keys, and a lock. This lock is to attach the ball mount to the shank and drop here, keeping it from disappearing on you. So that's a nice touch. And one of the things that makes this shine really nicely is this is the adapter. So this comes with a 2-inch ball. This is a 2 5/16 clamshell adapter. Goes right over the ball. Allows you to be able to tow either trailer size. And when properly set up, it does have a max towing capacity of 12,500 pounds. Guys, believe me, this is more than what most half-tons out there or even large SUVs are able to tow. And it has a max tongue weight of 1,500 pounds. All right, we've been talking about this scale for a little while now. Why does it matter and why should you care? So we've got a few different ones here. The Arrow Hitch one that we're giving away, and I also have the aluminum version here just so you can see it. And they have this scale that's built on here, and this is designed to measure tongue weight. Now when you're towing, there's like 2 different basic numbers you really need to think about. Now don't get me wrong, there's all kinds of things to consider when you're towing, but for this conversation we're just talking about 2 of them. They both are around the capacity of your particular vehicle. Now I'm talking trucks because we have a truck here. The first one is pretty easy. We all know about it. We talk about it. All those truck guys are going, hey, my Ford can tow this, my Chevy can tow this, my Ram can tow, you know, whatever, right? And that is the tow capacity vehicle. Now, marketing people have done their work. We all know what that number is. We all know what that is for a particular truck. Hopefully, if you don't know where it's for your particular truck, most of them have a door sticker that you can go ahead and look at and figure out what the particular tow capacity of your particular truck is. And oh, by the way, just because a manufacturer has a particular truck with some specific pieces of equipment or some specific, configuration, doesn't mean that your crew cab with all this extra equipment that a lot of us have will tow that exact same number. The second number that you really need to consider is the payload capacity of your particular truck. Now in my case, looking at my GM owner's manual, my payload capacity is consumed by 3 different parts. One is persons, 2 is cargo, stuff I have in the truck or here in the bed, and 3, the tongue weight of whatever it is I happen to be towing. Now what is the tongue weight? As you hook up a trailer to your truck, some of that weight from that trailer is transferred to your truck and it takes up some of that capacity, and that is where that scale becomes really, really helpful, making sure that you are, traveling safely, you're traveling legally. The reality is, and most of us don't know this, and this is kind of a problem, which is why these products exist out there, you will consume your cargo capacity long before you ever consume your tow capacity. And again, all we're looking to do is help me grow my business, help WaySafe grow their business. So we're going to get into the contest rules. Again, very, very simple. The first one is, want to get up to 5,000 subscribers. I'm a smaller channel. At the time of making this video, I'm right around 3,500. Need to get up to 5,000 subscribers, so like and share this video. Moving on to number 2. As we help WaySafe grow their particular business, I have 5 different WaySafe videos on my YouTube channel. I will leave those links in the description of this video. All you have to do is, rule number 1, subscribe, watch any of those videos, watch all the videos, leave a comment down below as to why you want to win this particular WaySafe hitch. What'll make this interesting is if you watch one video, subscribe, like, comment, you will have one chance to win. If you watch all 5 videos, and all 5 videos you like, you're subscribed once of course, and you leave 5 comments on there, you will have 5 chances to win. Of course, 1 comment per video. You guys get the general idea. The more you watch, the more chances you will have to win. For number 3, this is kind of heavy. I have to ship it to you, so we need to keep this within the United States and the lower 48 states. Hopefully you guys understand, but a pretty simple rule. All right, as you wrap things up, the contest is really that simple. Just a couple things to go over. I will have the rules down below in the description. You guys can read that, as well as all of the links to the videos. You guys can check those out. Again, hit 5,000 subscribers. I will go ahead and pick the best comment out of that. I'll leave a DM to that particular potential winner. We'll work things out, get this shipped over to that particular person, and we'll have another video. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.